This 2 centimeter tall old man had just returned home when he saw a caterpillar at his doorstep. The old man didn't drive it away, but watched the caterpillar from inside the house. Noticing that the caterpillar couldn't reach the leaves on the tree, he picked up a pair of scissors and helped it cut a large pile of leaves. After the caterpillar got the leaves, he gently stroked it. The old man went home, changed into his pajamas, and prepared to sleep. But the sound of the caterpillar chewing on the leaves kept him awake. Although he was a bit annoyed, he still didn't drive the caterpillar away. Instead, he stroked it gently and asked it to be quiet. But unexpectedly, the caterpillar started making noise again. With no other option, the old man put on a pair of earmuffs and then took out a bag of something from the cabinet and went outside. The caterpillar saw the old man approaching and immediately stopped moving. After a while, the old man came back with a small box. He pressed a button. This is the kindest old man I have ever seen.